Okay, so this is the new power system I bought from Hobby King. There is the power supply, it's working great, and this is the charger. And this is about the RMA. I have an issue with the port number 4, with port number 1 with the cell number 4. So I'm doing this setup to illustrate it. Where you can see I have 4 batteries with 6 cells, different charge level, different types, so they can be identified. You can see the one at port 4 is about 3.9, all the cells, and then 4.10, 4.15, and in port 1 I have one that is about 395, and you can see cell 4 doesn't show properly. And I will soon switch between the batteries so it is clear that it is not specifically this battery. And to explain about the setup, I've used in the 3 other ports, I used this type of adapter, so it is easier to switch batteries. But as you can see in port number 1, I made sure I'm not using any kind of adapter, so it is clear that it's not the problem is not with the adapter. So I'm gonna switch the batteries to illustrate. Give it to my daughter so the picture could be continuous. So I'm gonna start by switching these two. So now this blue zippy. Okay, so you can see the battery I was using earlier, the yellow ZP, so it really shows now when it's on port 4, on port 3, you can see that it is it properly shows all the cells in 3.9 something. Specifically, you can see that cell number 4 is 3.99. And if we get back to port 1, you can see the same battery that I used in port 3, which was showed proper voltages. Now again you can see the extreme variation in cell number 4, which shows completely different value, a drop of 0.6 or something like that. I'll repeat it on another battery to make it clear, to illustrate. בואו תחזיק לי עוד פעם. So okay, and I'm going to take the one from port number 2, and you can see all of them is about 3.15, and I'll put it in port number 1. Okay, and again you can see that the one that it was the battery which was connected on port number 2 showed 415 on all. Now when it's on port 1, you can see again the same drop in port number cell number 4. And if I go to port number 2 with the battery I used before in port 1, again you can see all the voltages are about the same. I'll take this battery out just to solve the connector, and I think it will conclude. So physically I can't see any specific problem in the port. It doesn't appear to be scrambled, broken, burnt or anything like that. It is simply that the cell number 4 is not showing the proper voltage. And I hope this is enough to illustrate the problem. Thank you very much.